Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Unfortunately, we are sharing another sad news, and this time is from Afghanistan. Last night they had an earthquake, a strong one, which have affected about 5 states: Kunar, Nangarhar, Laghman, Nuristan, and Panjshir, where the deaths toll are over 800 and over 3,000 people have been injured. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept their deaths as shuhada and provide complete shifa to those who are injured. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Similarly, there are thousands of houses there which are destroyed. Hamdard team is already preparing to visit there and to be there on ground firsthand, and we will do whatever we can bi-idhnillah. And we are similarly appealing all our brothers and sisters to come and join us to help our desperately need brothers and sisters in need for emergency aids, foods, tents, groceries, and everyday use home equipments. Please share this video with all your friends and families so they can receive this message and video. And we are appealing to help us by donating via the link that we are going to share with this video. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.